here, and I'm going to go over to my profile. So let's just give it a minute for the app to go ahead and load here. Let me just go to my profile, and as you guys can see at the moment, I only have 1 follower. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton of followers on TikTok completely for free. So let's get right into the tutorial. So if you're using an iPhone, you want to go ahead and open up settings, and once you're there, there's a few options will change. So first, go to general, find this option called background app refresh, and make sure it's turned on. You can have it on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Just make sure it's on one of those, and you're going to be good to go. So once you've done that, guys, you're pretty much all set. So all you have to do now is go ahead and go down, and you want to go ahead and go to battery and make sure that the low power mode is off. So you'll know it's on because your battery percentage will be yellow. So make sure that low power mode is off, and you're going to be good to go. So once you've done that, go to App Store and make sure the automatic downloads is turned on. So this should be on by default, but if it is off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. Once you've done that, you're all set. So all you have to do now is go ahead and go to this amazing website. So let me just go to my browser. Once you're on the website, guys, you want to go with the search bar and type in TikTok followers plus plus. This is a modded app that will allow us to go ahead and get followers injected into our account. So as you can see, this site has quite a few apps and games. If you can get lost, just press the home button at the bottom. This will take you to the top of the site. So I'm going to go up to the search bar and type it in right here. So type it exactly as you see here, Tik followers plus plus. As you can see, this does give free followers. So in order to download this onto your device, go ahead and press on it and then press start injection. And you just want to give it a minute until the bar reaches the end. So I'm just going to let it load here, as you guys can see. So I'll just give it a minute. All right, I'm just going to let it load, and this should be pretty quick. So I'm just going to give it a minute, starting injection, setting up final stage. All right, we'll just give it a minute. Okay. All right, so basically, guys, before you can finish the download, you do have to do a quick verification. All you have to do is download 2 of these apps, complete the instructions. These are completely free. They're from the official app store, so I'm going to download 2 of them. I'll do IRL Social Calendar as my first app. It's going to take me over to the app store, and I'm going to go ahead and download it. Now, these apps can vary according to where you live, so you might see different apps than me. While this one's downloading, I'm just going to go back onto the list and pick a second app to download. So let me just go ahead and go back, and I'm going to go for, let's see, I'm going to do the iHeartRadio. So you'll never be asked to buy anything in these apps. They're totally free. So I'm going to go to my home screen and give it a minute for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So the calendar has already downloaded, so I'm going to open it up. For this app, I just have to put in my email and sign up. So that's super easy to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and press get started. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that right here. So let me just type it in. So I'm going to press get started. All right, this is super crazy, guys. So I'm just going to go over here. All right, and I'm just going to put in the email. So let me just type it in right here, as you guys can see. Okay, I'm just going to put this in. All right, let me just type it in right here. All right. Okay, so I did the sign up for this app, so now I'm going to go on to the other app. So that is the iHeartRadio. This app is very similar. It just wants me to sign up. So all the apps are going to have different instructions, but most of them are pretty straightforward. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign up right here, and I'm just going to allow the notifications. Sure, I'm going to put in my email address. Let me just type that in right here. As you guys can see, super easy to do, guys. This is super crazy. So I'm just going to put it in, and now I just have to enter my password. So let me just type that in right here, as you guys can see. All right, I did that, and now I just need to put in birth year, so let me just type that right here, and then gender and age, zip code. All right, let me just type that in. Okay, there we go. So I did the iHeartRadio sign up, so now I'm done. So I'm just going to scroll around the app for a little bit, press the buttons, skip through the genres, whatever, guys. So anyways, now I think I'm good. So let me just allow some stuff and click through here for just a little bit, but I think I'm all set. So let's open up our TikTok and see if the TikTok followers plus plus mod has been injected and the followers have been added to our account. So I'm going to go over to my profile right here, and let's see if it works. All right, and as you can see, the followers are going up in real time. So definitely give this method a shot, get the word out. Blown away, you can get some TikTok followers, get TikTok famous. Super crazy, guys. Can't even believe it actually works, but it does. So definitely give this a shot. It's super amazing. I can't even believe it actually works, guys, but it does. Really, really cool. So yeah, awesome stuff with this trick. Try it out right now while it still works with this crazy app. So definitely try it out. Really, really cool. I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.